caterpillar, tiny and green, crawling around, head full of dreams. Inch by inch, takes all day. I'm dreaming of wings and flying away.
Must be placed together in a 1-quart clear plastic.
Clearly hold the handrails firmly at all times.
Just a little caterpillar down on the ground. I climb a tree, hang upside down. I don't know why I build a cocoon, not sure why I do what I do. But if I were a butterfly, I could leave the ground behind. Would things look different way up high? I wish I were a butterfly. I'm just a little caterpillar fast asleep, eyes closed tight, lost in a dream. In my dream, I break free, stretch out my legs and check out my wings. I feel just like a butterfly. Watch me leave.